Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to plant wheatgrass seeds. First, let's prepare our seeds for planting. You'll want to soak 1 cup of wheatgrass seeds in cool water for about 8 to 12 hours. This crucial step kickstarts the germination process, ensuring your seeds are ready to sprout. It's a simple yet vital beginning to growing your own fresh wheatgrass at home. Now, let's get our planting tray ready. Choose a tray with good drainage, typically 10 inches by 20 inches. Fill it with 1 to 2 inches of organic potting soil. Make sure the soil is evenly spread and lightly pressed down. This provides a stable and nutrient-rich bed for your soaked wheatgrass seeds to thrive in. After soaking, drain your seeds thoroughly. Now, spread them evenly across the prepared soil in your tray. Aim for a single layer, covering most of the surface. Gently mist the seeds with water. Then, cover the tray with another tray or plastic wrap for the next 2 to 3 days to create a humid environment for sprouting. Once your seeds have sprouted, remove the cover and place the tray in indirect sunlight. Water your wheatgrass daily, ensuring the soil remains consistently moist but not waterlogged. In about 7 to 10 days, your wheatgrass should be 6 to 8 inches tall and ready for harvest. Simply snip it just above the root line for fresh juice.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.